Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Vora from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for January 21st, 2020. Excuse me, I still have a bit of a cough here. The markets did show some weakness today as the impeachment trial got underway, and we actually had confirmation of the first reported case of the coronavirus in the U.S. So by the end of it, the Dow was lower by 152 points. The S&P 500 finished lower by 8 points, while the NASDAQ finished lower by 18, and the Russell 2000 was down almost 14 points. The bond market did show some strength, and the yield on the 10-year note now sits at 1.770%. Crude oil down 29 cents or 0.5%, while gold was lower by $2.10 or just 0.13%. The dollar also showing some strength today. Here it is against the CAD, and this is the dollar index. Now, after market close, we did get earnings reports from a couple of heavyweights. IBM came in, and they actually reported better than expected revenue. And actually, right now, after market close, they are higher by $5.63, or a little over 4%, while Netflix, they beat their revenue number but missed on their domestic subscriber numbers. And so right now, they are also higher by a little over $3 or 1%. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.